Gra, gra. RPT, força, força. Gang, 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 nigga. Gra, gra. Look, oh, he jacking what? We gon' start to the front, we gon' click till it's done and let's have some fun. Like, when they running at me, hope they ready to run. We got unlimited guns. Like, I done built to the top, I'm just ready to dunk. Like, gang, 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 nigga. Gang. Oh, they screaming out big bros, but my big bros, man, they really got packs. Tryna slide on the ops, let it clap. Like, how many niggas told me and ran lap? Like, and they know I'll be quick to attack, but they just don't act really capping they raps. I thought my pussy is wax, she be feeling for me just to fuck with her back. Like, for one, everywhere you go, bring your gun. For two, boy, you better be ready to shoot. Like, don't hesitate to put them on the news. Like, for three, don't play the ops in a function. If they do, then they know how we bug. I'm like,
what's up and what's good, YouTube? I'm sweaty as hell, man. We are here at the pit, man. We about to have some fun. So I made it out. First time I'm out at Piedmont, drag weight, race weight, whatever. But we are in North Carolina, man. This content is about to be crazy. So y'all bear with me. Let's go get some content. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You are not watching. I say Josh, and I love y'all. I respect y'all. And let's see how North Carolina do it, man. We gonna keep this content nice and clean. Again, hopefully no cursing. From me though, from me. Out here with the whole crew, man. What's up, y'all?
Not the whole crew. We missing one, bro. We missing one.
We missing one.
Boy, if you don't get
Private meat, turn around. All I see is cheeks. Come on now.
stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Got it from the bottom, but I had to get my grind right. Got it so you know me in the limelight. I'm gonna put an 8 got some fish from the I got my shit like a the time. And it gets myself in my mind. Brain on fire. Let's see what they say. I'm like, let's see what my sign.
Everybody got hit. Grab your elbow real quick. Oh shit! Oh, we rich! We rich! Yeah! You signed that waiver though? The whole Hey, who we with today, man? Let these motherfuckers know.
We with Trains.
Can we get an outfit of the day? Oh, y'all look at that. Oh shit, man. Hey, bro, spit some water in my mouth real quick. I'm thirsty in the motherfucker.
what you talking about, Willis?
Hey, yet again, man, that boy outside. Y'all already
in another city, bro.
Hey, I'm telling you, he got at least 100,000, 200,000 miles on the car, bro. He doing that shit.
160, 160.
Yes, sir.
It ain't that much.
That boy putting in that work. No, I'm saying that boy everywhere. Arkansas, goddamn Alabama.
I was plotting on the Benz, I caught my son a Lambo. I be sliding under pressure, I'm cautious, I can't fold. 20 bands off a fraud, I'm curling feeling for more. Remember, I was down bad, it's time to leave the scope. Every nigga sliding with me, just know to keep on moving. In my blood, there ain't no hope. Any minute I let go, nigga, I fight with the scope. Won't hit that low, let's go. It's clean, I ain't gotta hide, nigga, I'm gon' slide. If it's pressure, if it's tech, look bad, I'm gon' slide. Young Haitian, I won't fight my pride, nigga, I'm gon' slide. Whenever the vibe, just be outside, nigga, I'm gon' slide, 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 slide. with a vibe. You just be outside, nigga, I'm gon' slide, slide.
Hey, Danny can buy 3 of those.
Don't pay attention to what they say, it's what they do. I can tell he ain't on that the way he move. Fell on my dick, I right back up, they think it's woo. High-headed young nigga, but I'm cool. Fucked up my bread, I got it back up from my groove. How you got license for that 5, but ain't gon' shoot? Steady hollow when you know you ain't gon' slide. 3.14 ass nigga, boy, you pie. Real niggas moving silence for a pillow talk. Pull up on that nigga, cook him like a sidewalk. If it's tech, then pussy nigga pop off. Super rock, heard him move just like a mob boss. I'm just saying, I'm so tired, I'ma risk the charge. But my respect ain't got no dead, I risk it all. Stay in your place and play it safe, who don't get involved. Powered up, time to evolve, but it's ain't Pokemon. The way they stick up for transforming like it's Megatron. This shit go off from here, head, neck, leg and arm. I'm a hungry little Haitian, I can't keep calm. I'll snap it any minute, I'm a time bomb. Towards 40 in that bitch, holding 30. Bring you smoke like the hippies in the 70s. Flow sick, team on me ain't got no remedies. Seeking revenge, I'ma ride on my enemies. I feel like Tupac with his Cuban in his nose ring. I've been competing with myself, gotta beat the old me. Niggas competing with their homies on their own team. That's why I'm rocking and I'm rolling by my lonely. So on the grind and CODG what I'm standing on. No handouts, no big homies, get mine on my own. So when I blow, can't that nigga say he put me on. They say I fell off, I feel like I fell back in my zone. Ain't shit original about you niggas be cloned. No pen, no pad, no iPhone, this shit off the dome. My fully straight, he made it play, he threw his dog a bone. He threw his dog a bone. My fully straight, he made it play, he threw his dog a bone. He threw his dog a bone.
I say out loud, I stand with Ye, then they gon' try to cancel phase. In the face of fact that it's still a choice to let that man enslave me. But hey, bro, hand me my ankles, fuck your emancipation. They been trying to play like they hooked us up, but the strands is fading day by day. But look, keep me your brain, feel like a cancer patient. Dabbling over the top like I'm laminating, but the documents damage, racing the clock. This is your granddaddy land, they taking DEFCON level 0. Matriarch, plan the nation. Mama, the reason I am a Mason. Couldn't wait for no man to raise him. Just look at my mannerisms. I'm so supreme. These don't want me to lead like I'm Martin, I'm supposed to dream. And I see the celebrities ain't told to bring no focusing on the quote like Jehovah's King. And if you know the meaning, yeah. They don't want to admit that we the chosen, those are demons. Yeah, I picked up on the lingo with people who know be speaking, yeah. But I guess if I'm able to peep the code, I'm overthinking, yeah. We are too far from home, can we be honest? Trump tried to blow the trumpet on it, we ain't want it. They weaponized that DEFCON shit like that shit was something. But if you ain't understand what it meant, why the fuck you coming? The white lives matter shirt made niggas foreign armies. Like damn, niggas exist, where the fuck was y'all when all these niggas made songs about killing babies and mommies? And I ain't heard no Black Lives Matter since 2020.
I wasn't laughing.
Why you laughing?
I wasn't laughing.
You trying to say that nigga stuck?
No, it's the car.
Okay.
And them niggas, chance, what should I drink to that? And if I get drunk, you let the stories hit you. Notice they always call you crazy when it's the Lord that sent you. Prophets in their own town, you know the rest. But even if them prophets get them going down, you know you.
what y'all think of that one, man? That one was sick. Let's go back at it again. Now we got a 300 out here. Hopefully that motherfucker put in some work. We'll see, man. All right, let me stop talking and show y'all what's up.
Blast y'all, half off, half off. I catch y'all, smash y'all. Don't mean to laugh hard, but it's funny to me that you niggas half off. You niggas never can last long. Mask off, run in the back door. Blast y'all, half off. Wait.
I put 100 in it, so I gotta put it.
Yo, y'all be a
Hey, yo. One of y'all, I need y'all to choose, man.
Hey, you gotta take one name at a time.
We don't do it like this. Hey, who's that?
Hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't know why I'm texting her. If you want, then we can box if you want.